Python for problem solving. Topic: example programs. Topic covered: sequence statements examples, selection statement examples, looping statement examples, function examples. Sequence statement. Every statement executes one after another. This sequence statement follow top to bottom approach. So see the example of simple interest algorithm, flowchart, pseudocode. Here every statement or line execute one after another. Here we are not skip any lines, we are not jump over any lines. So every statement must execute one after another. So this is simple example for sequence statement. Selection statement. Here check the condition. The condition true means execute some set of statement. The condition false means execute another set of statement. Here the selection statement explained the help of find the greatest two numbers. See the algorithm. The statement step 1 execute and step 2 execute. Step 3 condition valid means print greater. False means go to step 4, print b is greater. Then finally going to execute step 5. So based on the condition only execute some set of statement. See the flowchart. The decision box take the decision. The decision true means execute a is greater. Suppose the decision is false, go to execute b is greater. So is going to skip some block of statement, execute some block of statement. The same thing explained in a pseudocode. So this is a way of execute selection statement. So algorithm, flowchart, pseudocode. So you have to follow the same order. Selection statement, another example. Check greatest three numbers. So the greatest three number we are using more than one decision. Let us assume A, B, C. A is the greater value compared to B and C. So we have to check A greater than B, A greater than C, and B greater than C. So we have to check three conditions. So then only we have to find out which number is greater. Let us assume A is 3, B 2, C 1. See the flowchart. Compare A greater than B. So A is greater already. So come to another check. Maybe C is maybe greater. We are going to check A greater than C. So that's also true means going to display A is greater. So here no need to check B greater than C. Obviously A is greater. So some 60% of program not executed. So what are the portion we need to execute based on the decision we have used for selection statements. This is an example of multiple decision selection statement. Sample algorithm, flowchart, pseudocode is here. So this is a way we have to follow multiple decision statements. Looping statement sometimes is called as iteration. So any particular statement or group of statement once execute multiple times, we go for looping statements. So see the algorithm, flowchart, pseudocode for print all natural numbers up to n. Here n means the limit. So 1 to 100, 1 to 1000. The 100 and 1000 to represent n. See the algorithm. First we have to start, get the limit, and then where we have to start. That value is 1 up to limit n 100 means 1 to 100. So check the condition. The condition true means execute print value and increment 1. Again go to step 4. Again those statement continue, check the condition. So repeat and print, and step 5 and step 6 executes until the condition false. When this condition goes false, execute step 8 stop. See the flowchart here. Get the limit value, set the initial value, check the condition. This condition true means execute print and increment statements continuously. When this condition goes false or wrong, is going to stop. So this is the same example for pseudocode is it. This is the way we have to draw the flowchart and write the algorithm and pseudocode for looping statement. Functions. Before we see selection and sequence and looping statements execute top to bottom order in a single format. But the functions, the program split into small sub programs or sub parts or sub blocks, that is called functions. Each task or each block can perform their own task or operations. So simply we say the large program split into small subtasks. So we have to draw the flowchart separately, algorithm also separately, and pseudocode also we have to write separate. But this is small program adding two numbers, but main function written somewhere. The main function only having function call. That function elaborated in sub functions. See the algorithm here. The main function having only start and stop. One more statement is called function call. First executes step 1 and then executes step 2. The interpreter stop control there is going to call another function, that is a sub function is here below, going to execute here step 1, but main function step 3 not executed because the function call is there, and then execute step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. After the step 5 in a sub function, then control again transfer to main function. Now the main function execute step 3 finally. So this is the way we are executing the functions. This is the way we have to write algorithm. The flowchart also like that. The main function only having 3 steps. One is start and then function call and then stop. The sub function also having function call, get the values, add the values, display the values, and the return control return to main function. That is the return statement is optional. So our interpreter automatically return to main functions. So this is the way we have to write the algorithm flowchart using functions. So any function we are using, how many functions we are using in our program, that much of algorithm flowchart we have to draw. So in this video we discussed how to draw the flowchart and algorithm pseudocode for selection statement, sequence statement, looping statement and function statement. Thank you for watching.